Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add voiceover to your videos using Clipchamp. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Clipchamp app on your home screen. Now open it. Now tap onto the new video option, which is right here. Now find one video that you want to edit. Tap onto the video. Now tap onto next. Now to add the voiceover, simply scroll to your right. Here you can find the option of voiceover. Now tap on it. Now you can finally start to voiceover to your videos like this. Now say something and record your voice to the video. After that, simply tap onto the check mark button. Now you can see the voiceover has been added to your videos very easily. And that's it. This is how you can add voiceover to your videos using Clipchamp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.